Why financial planning matters. How should couples and families plan their finances? Life goals, income changes, and unexpected events make planning essential. Let's explore key areas: money management, retirement, taxes, and more. Couple and family finance. Communicate openly about goals. Track income, expenses, and shared responsibilities. Consider joint goals: kids' education, vacations, housing. Parents and real estate. Understand legal ownership of inherited properties. Discuss estate planning early. Consider financial liabilities and responsibilities. Claiming unclaimed accounts. Check for dormant accounts via RBI's Udgam portal, India. Submit death certificate, ID proofs, legal heir certificate. Contact the bank or institution directly for process details. Emergency fund and financial cushion. Ideally, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Store in liquid instruments like savings accounts or liquid mutual funds. Review periodically based on life stage. Retirement planning, PPF and NPS. PPF, safe, fixed returns, tax benefits, EEE. NPS, market-linked, flexible investment choices, long-term horizon. Age-based saving and spending. In 20s, save 20 to 30%, invest in learning. In 30s to 40s, prioritize investments, insurance, and home buying. In 50s plus, maximize retirement savings. Early retirement and AI upskilling. Cut lifestyle inflation and invest consistently. Identify high-growth skills. Use AI tools for productivity, automation, and learning. Tax burden, asset allocation, and goal. Middle class often falls in the tax sandwich. New tax regime, lower rates, fewer deductions, compare both. Equity align with risk appetite. Gold 5 to 10% as hedge against inflation. Need personalized advice or portfolio management? Reach out to Divadvik for expert guidance. DM us or visit divadvik.com to get started. Invest with Divadvik. Download our app.
Disclaimer. Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Please read all related documents carefully before investing. Divadvik Corporate Services Private Limited are not liable or responsible for any of your investors' profit or loss in market-related securities investments.